Elpha Secure Investing app pricing explains what you get for your money. Elpha Secure Investing is a platform focused on secure, low-risk investments for cautious investors. Many assume secure means lower returns and higher fees, but Elpha keeps pricing transparent and affordable. The app charges a flat annual management fee of 0.4% for its portfolios. There are no hidden fees, no account setup costs, and deposits and withdrawals are free. For example, a zero investment would cost annually, covering portfolio management, monitoring, and reporting. Elpha provides a diversified portfolio of low volatility assets, including bonds, dividend-paying stocks, and cash equivalents. Users can track performance, receive risk reports, and set investment goals directly in the app. Automated rebalancing ensures that portfolios remain aligned with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. The surprising truth is that for less than per year on its zero portfolio, investors gain a professionally managed, low-risk investment strategy with regular updates and secure asset allocation. Many underestimate how much security and peace of mind this level of management can provide. In conclusion, Elpha Secure Investing app pricing is clear, affordable, and designed for investors seeking low-risk, professionally managed portfolios. Understanding management fees and portfolio features ensures that you can invest confidently and securely.